Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So before that, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to install Facebook Lite application cause nowadays main Facebook application has some lagging issue. So install it, then open it. After that, log in your Facebook account on it. Then here click on this three lines option in the top corner. Then scroll down and from here click on settings. After that, here click on personal and account information. Then from here click on access and control, and from here click on deactivation and deletion. After that, here select delete account. Then tap on continue to account deletion. Then here you can select any of reason why you want to delete Facebook account. Then here click on continue to account deletion. After that, scroll down and here click on delete account. Now type here your Facebook password and click on continue. After that, here again click on delete account. As you can see, finally my Facebook account is on deletion. Here you can see your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. If you want back your Facebook account, you have option to cancel the deletion. What you need to do, just you have to log in into your Facebook account within 30 days. That's it. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.